How to change gender in Bloodstrike. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to change the gender on your Bloodstrike game, first of all launch open Bloodstrike application on your device and from the lobby page go to the upper left corner and tap on your current avatar. Now you will open up this personal info section where you need to tap on your avatar. Now you'll be taken to this edit info section where you need to tap on basic info or basic information. Now here you'll see the gender option. Tap the drop down under gender and select your gender you want to change to. Finally click confirm to change your gender. So there you have it. That is how you change your gender in Bloodstrike. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.